Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best silicone molds is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any home baker or candy maker looking to elevate their creations with professional-looking results, offering unparalleled flexibility and ease of use for crafting everything from intricate chocolates and gummies to fun-shaped cookies and desserts, making them an indispensable addition to any kitchen arsenal for both beginners and seasoned confectioners alike. Number 5. Gummy Molds Bear Candy Silicone Mini-Size Chocolate Gummy Molds. Introducing our set of 4 mini bear gummy molds. These are perfect for creating a variety of fun treats. With this exclusive value set, you can make up to 200 mini bears in a single batch. They are made from food-grade silicone for your peace of mind. Each set comes with 2 handy droppers. These make filling the silicone molds with your liquid ingredients a breeze. These versatile candy molds aren't just for gummies. Use them for mini candies, chocolates, mints, and so much more. Enjoy effortless release thanks to their non-stick design. They are flexible, easy to clean, and ensure great detail in every shape. Please note the mini size of these molds, with each bear cavity holding 1 milliliter. Your family will love the detailed shapes you can create. What we like? This set offers incredible value with 4 molds capable of making 200 mini bears. If you're looking to create a large quantity of small, uniform treats for parties or events, this is the perfect choice. The included droppers make filling precise and easy, especially for little hands or intricate designs. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, which is flexible and durable. The candy molds are easy to use and clean, and they produce perfectly shaped candies every time. The variety of shapes and sizes available in this set is fantastic, allowing for creative candy making. Number 4. 3-pack flower silicone molds, pink, purple, blue. Crafted from premium, BPA-free food-grade silicone, these molds are designed for your safety and convenience. They are flexible, non-stick, and ensure your creations release effortlessly. Each of the 12 unique flower-shaped cavities measures approximately 1.7 by 1.7 by 0.9 inches, holding about 1 fluid ounce. The entire tray is conveniently sized at 8.3 by 6.2 by 0.9 inches, making them easy to store. These molds are incredibly versatile, perfect for making jelly shots, chocolates, candies, cupcakes, ice cubes, muffins, and so much more. You can even use them for DIY crafts like candles and soaps. Cleaning is a breeze with these flexible molds. Simply wash them by hand or pop them in the dishwasher. They are safe for use in ovens, microwaves, dishwashers, and freezers, with a temperature resistance from -40 to 230 degrees Celsius. Featuring 12 different 3D flower patterns, these molds add a beautiful touch to your desserts and crafts. They are ideal for making thoughtful gifts for friends and family, perfect for any celebration. Elevate your parties and gift-giving with these charming molds. They are perfect for bridal showers, baby showers, holidays, birthdays, and creating special gift baskets. What we like? With 12 different flower designs across 3 vibrant colors, these molds are ideal for adding a decorative touch to your desserts. If you love baking for special occasions like bridal showers or birthdays and want your creations to stand out, these are a fantastic option. They are also great for making unique soaps or candles. What people say. The molds are easy to use and clean, making candy making a breeze. The detailed designs on the candy came out perfectly, impressing everyone. These silicone molds are very durable and hold their shape well, even with repeated use. Number 3. Mini silicone gummy candy molds with droppers. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these molds are safe for use in temperatures ranging from -40 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. They are perfect for your refrigerator, microwave, or oven, and cleanup is a breeze with the dishwasher or a simple rinse. This pack includes 4 mini silicone molds, offering 7 different fun shapes like dinosaurs, bears, hearts, and donuts. You can create up to 210 mini treats at once, and the included droppers make filling them easy. Enjoy hassle-free candy making with these flexible, non-stick molds. Simply squeeze the bottom to pop out your creations, and cleaning is as easy as a quick rinse or a cycle in the dishwasher. No more scrubbing. These versatile molds aren't just for gummies. They are perfect for making fruit snacks, fudge, ice cubes, crayons, and so much more. Let your creativity run wild with these multifunctional tools. Designed for creating delightful mini-sized treats, these silicone molds are ideal for portion control and fun-sized snacks. They are perfect for kids and adults alike. What we like. This pack provides an impressive variety of fun shapes like dinosaurs, bears, cats, and donuts, totaling over 200 cavities. If you're making treats for kids and want to keep them entertained with different fun shapes, this is the mold set for you. Its flexibility and easy release make it a joy to use, even for beginners. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, which is flexible and durable. The candy molds are easy to use and clean, and the candies pop out easily. The molds create detailed and uniform shapes, perfect for chocolate or gummies. Number 2. Square Chocolate Mold, 40 Cavities Silicone Cube Mold. Crafted from premium, food-grade silicone, this mold is BPA-free and built to last. Its flexible design ensures easy release and repeated use, making cleanup a breeze. Each cavity offers ideal dimensions for creating your desired treats. With a capacity of 0.58 ounces per piece, you can make perfectly portioned candies every time. This versatile mold is safe for use in a wide temperature range, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. It's suitable for ovens, freezers, dishwashers, refrigerators, and even microwaves. Beyond chocolates and candies, you can use it for gummies, caramels, keto snacks, ice cubes, jelly, and even cake decorating. It's perfect for creating a variety of sweet treats. Featuring a non-stick surface, releasing your creations is incredibly easy. Simply pop out your perfectly shaped treats with a gentle press from the bottom. What we like. For those who appreciate clean lines and uniformity, these square molds are perfect for creating consistent, bite-sized candies or chocolates. If you're making keto fat bombs, whiskey ice cubes, or simply want a neat and tidy presentation for your sweets, these molds deliver. Their large cavity count means you can produce many pieces efficiently. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, which is flexible and durable. The candy molds are easy to use and clean, making them perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers. The intricate designs on the molds allow for detailed and beautiful candy creations. Number 1. Marijuana Leaf Gummy Mold Silicone Candy Mold Kit, 3-pack. Introducing our professional-grade silicone mold kit. It features a patented design and is made from non-toxic materials for creating amazing treats and decorations. These molds are BPA-free and made from food-safe silicone. The non-stick surface ensures easy release and cleaning, and they are safe for oven and dishwasher use. Beyond edibles, these molds are perfect for resin crafting. Create unique leaf-shaped items like earrings, keychains, magnets, and more. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen. Use them to make fun leaf-shaped gummies, cupcake toppers, chocolates, candies, and other delightful creations. Built to last, these molds can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy their durability for all your baking and crafting needs. What we like. This kit stands out with its unique marijuana leaf shape and patented design, perfect for themed parties or creative projects. If you're looking to make fun, conversation-starting gummies or chocolates, or even explore resin crafting for unique jewelry or keychains, these molds offer a distinctive edge. They are a great way to add a playful or edgy touch to your creations. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, which makes it easy to release the candies. The detailed design of the mold allows for intricate candy shapes, adding a professional touch to homemade treats. The flexibility of the silicone ensures that the candies pop out without breaking, preserving their delicate forms. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.